How to sign up Revolut. Want to manage money globally with Revolut? Let's walk through how to sign up using Revolut. So start by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. So as you can see, if you visit the official website of Revolut, you'd be able to find this on your page. So basically, you'll need to download the Revolut app from your mobile device to be able to sign up for an account. But if you want to sign into your Revolut account, you can simply sign in by clicking on this login button. So once you have the app, open the app and tap sign up, enter your email, create a secure password, and confirm your phone number. Choose your country of residence to unlock local features. And then Revolut requires identity verification. So upload a valid ID like passport or driver's license and complete a quick selfie check. This step keeps your account secure and compliant. Now, after that, choose a plan. Select your plan. Standard is free and includes core features, while premium and metal offers extra like travel insurances, lounge access, and higher limits. Once approved, you can order a Revolut card, hold multiple currencies, send money abroad, and track your spending all from the app. And that is how to sign up on Revolut.